My name is Bertin Alberto Santiago, and I am the owner of Greener Lawn Maintenance. We do residential and commercial properties. We concentrate on the lawn maintenance part of it. We also do fence work and tree work. Our ideal clients are clients that are looking to build relationships or year round. We've been in business since March of 2017. I went into this business because I enjoy helping homeowners as well as being outside. It just gives me a sense of being free, enjoying that the weather, the trees, just the different smells, and actually looking at different birds and plants is just really what I love to do. In the past, we try a few different type of marketing. One of them is Angie's List and Home Advisor. We haven't really been successful with any of these marketing, so we decided to cut them off. We decided to try video marketing because it's really self-explanatory and people love to actually see with their own eyes the type of work and service that we provide. The reason why we chose Frank is because we really like his attention to details and his willingness to help us improve and make more sales in our business. The first video we produced with Frank looked up to all the services that we provide to homeowners all year round. The second video we produced looked up the leaf removal service that we provide in the fall. I did enjoy working with Frank. He make everything so easy and smooth. We felt really great about the finished video after they were done. I sent the video to one of my friends and he couldn't believe it was our company. He actually thought it was one of the biggest local company in our area. We posted these videos on Facebook and YouTube advertising. We generated thousands of views on Facebook and our YouTube channel. Just yesterday, we received a call from a lady in Great Falls who saw our YouTube ad and asked to get a low maintenance proposal for our year-round services. If you are thinking about working with Frank, I would say it is a really great choice to let homeowners know about the services that you offer and the type of quality work that you do.